I'm back. It's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing like a fall inspired look. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna call it like pumpkin spice yet. It depends on how this turns out. Like if it turns out darker than it's meant to be, then it's gonna be like mocha pumpkin spice. But then if it turns out like how it's supposed to, then it's gonna be pumpkin spice. So basically we're gonna do like mocha pumpkin spice, a fall inspired makeup look. I'm so excited to be back. My last video, as you guys probably seen, was some spooktorial videos, and I just had to take a little break just for like my mental health, nothing to do with the videos, but I was feeling kind of down with my mental health and stuff, so I just had to like take a little break. But now I'm back and I'm super excited to be doing like fall because I love fall. I know it's like been fall, but I kind of like was doing spooktorial videos and just other stuff, so we're getting into the fall videos right now. Also, it's November. I'm just so excited for like Thanksgiving to like chow down on some food, for like not dark, but like fall mocha pumpkin spice colors. That's like my favorites, where I thrive. So I'm just like really excited. So yeah, I did a face chart, so this is kind of like the look I'm going to be doing. So yeah, if you guys want to see this mocha pumpkin spice makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm literally so excited to be back. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. I kind of just made them like a dark mocha-y color. If you guys hate the word mocha, then you should probably exit out this video because I'm going to be using that word a lot. So for the palettes today, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I think I'm also going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is Ring the Alarm, so I'm going to be using these two palettes to create this beautiful eye look right here. First things first, I'm just going to prime my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. I'm going to blend that out with a Morphe sponge. I got like a caramel pecan cinnamon candle lit, and it smells so good. I'm just really feeling the vibes. Okay, so now let's get started. First, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and I'm going to take this light color in the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to take the Morphe M506 brush with that same color, and I'm going to just blend it out a little bit. And now I'm going to take the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm going to take Alert with that same Morphe M506, and I'm going to put that next to it while blending it out into it. I'm going to take the Morphe M330 brush and just blend. And now in that same palette, I am going to take Mugshot, and I am going to blend that out next to it. Now I'm going to take Secret, and I'm going to take that and put it on the outer part of the eye look. So if you guys are like looking at the face chart either like in the beginning or on Instagram, it's going to look a little bit different because I made the look more orangey because I wanted to look more pumpkin spice, if that makes sense. But like, look at this. That is so cute, and it's giving very much fall. It's giving very fall vibes. I'm gonna take the Morphe the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm gonna take, where is it? This color, and I'm gonna just darken up the outer part a little bit more. I'm just bringing it very lightly into the crease towards like the middle. And now I kind of just want like a white eyeshadow because, like, as you can see by the face chart, also I'm gonna put the picture of like the little reference, like a pumpkin spice latte type thing with like whipped cream on top. So I'm just taking this NYX Modern Dreamer palette, like, but this doesn't really matter. I'm just taking the white from it and I'm putting it. Oh, actually, this white isn't really giving what it's supposed to give. I mean, it is a little bit. I'm just putting it like in the inner corner. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the darkest color that we used on the outer corner, and I'm basically just going to do like a little like liner on the lash line with it. So I'm going to take this Dose of Colors little brush that came with like a palette. It has this really small pencil brush. And now I'm going to do my foundation. My foundation routine ain't the best, so that's why I be doing it off camera. Cause I be just doing like random things and just hoping it looks good, praying and hoping it looks good at the end. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation, and then we'll come back for like the other stuff, like what's this called, under eyes and lips and all that good stuff. So let me go do my foundation. Okay, so I did my foundation. Look how fire it looks, period. I just want to tell you guys the highlight that I use because it looks really good, especially with this look. I feel like I just used the Juvia's Place loose highlighter in Nefertiti. So yeah, girl, this fire is highlight. This highlight is fire. Like, look at the nose, period. Okay, so now let's do under eye. So now I'm gonna take the other side of that Dose of Colors brush, which is like a skinny kind of like blending brush, and I'm gonna take the darkest color that we used on the top. So basically we're just gonna put the same colors like that we used on the top on like the bottom. So like use the corresponding colors on the top, on the bottom. Actually, you know what? I think I like the way it looks with like just eyeshadow on the bottom outer half and like leaving that kind of like blank. So I am going to do that. So just put it on the bottom outer half. For lips, I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Downtown Beauty. For lashes, we're going to pull out the big Celeste Los Angeles lashes. My mom bought me this like a few years ago and she's always complaining that I never use it. So mom, if you're watching this, I'm using these right now. And I think I am going to use Dolly, which is like a winged out lash. They look cute. Okay, I'm gonna go out camera and put on my lash and then put on a gloss, and then I'll come back for the finished look and like the outro and all that good stuff because we're pretty much finished. So yeah, girl. Okay guys, so I just did the lash and the gloss. Honestly, this is the best lash for this look. So if you do this look, make sure you do like one that like flares on the end. I feel like it just adds so much, especially with the shape of the eyeshadow. I just feel like it brings it all together. But this is the finished what did I call this look? This is the finished Mocha Pumpkin Spice makeup look. I would do a close-up because I love every single thing about this look. Somehow my base looks fire today. Maybe it's because I haven't done like regular makeup in a really long time and I really did that today. The eyeshadow I love. The lashes, like I said, with this look just like add it all together. The gloss, everything about this look is like fire in my opinion. So yeah. Yeah, I'm so excited to be getting back into doing videos again. Well, I was doing tutorial videos obviously, so yeah, I just like skipped a week because I was feeling down like I said in the beginning. But we back, baby. I mean, I still have problems, but I'm gonna overcome it and post videos. Also, thank you guys for subscribing. I got a few new subscribers from my school tutorial videos, and I want to say I really appreciate you guys. If you are watching this, hi, thanks for subscribing. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, you should subscribe to join the family. I really appreciate it, and we have a goal for the end of the year. The goal for the end of the year is 100 subscribers. So like I said, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and like I said, subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, because I know you guys don't want to miss an upload and you want to be notified right away when I post. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. So yeah, happy fall. If you guys want to recreate this look, it will also be on my Instagram. The face chart will be on my Instagram. If you guys do recreate this look, please tag me on any of my social medias that, like I said, was on the screen, because I really want to see how you guys do it, you guys' interpretation, and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.